Let's go on a color adventure. We will learn many beautiful colors together. Are you ready? Let's start now. Look at this bright red color. The apple is red. The balloon is red. Even the car is red. It's so strong and fun. This is blue color. The sky is blue. The fish is swimming in blue water. The ball is blue too. Blue feels calm and nice. Look around. Everything is green. The tree is green. The leaf is green. The frog is green. Green is the color of nature. Now we see yellow. The sun is shining bright. The banana is yellow. The flower is yellow. Yellow makes everything happy. This color is orange. The fruit is orange. The pumpkin is orange. Even the fish is orange. Orange feels warm and bright. Soft pink color appears. The flower is pink. The candy is pink. Pink feels sweet and gentle. Now we have purple. The grapes are purple. The butterfly is purple. The hat is purple. Purple looks magical and fun. Everything looks white here. The cloud is white. The sheep is white. The snow is white. White is clean and bright. This is brown color. The bear is brown. The tree trunk is brown. The chocolate is brown. Brown looks warm and natural. That was so much fun learning colors together. You did a great job today. See you again for more fun learning. Bye-bye.